In today's video, we're going to review practice questions to help you prepare and pass your CAPM exam on your first try. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alvin, and I'm a project manager who recently passed the CAPM exam, scoring above target in all domains. And I hope to also pass the new PMP exam by the end of 2021. And on this channel, I'm here to share weekly practice questions and exam tips and strategies to help you pass your CAPM and PMP exam on your first try. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and smash that like button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Now before we get started, all of these practice questions found in this video can be found in my free workbook. Make sure you download a copy of this workbook containing more than 100 practice questions designed to test your knowledge and help you pass your CAPM and PMP exam on your first try. This is a valuable resource, so make sure you download your free copy over at alvinthepm.com/ebook. So let's get started today with our practice questions. Question 1. Before your team can proceed with user validations of your product, the validation protocol needs to be created, completed, and approved. This is an example of what type of logical relationship? A. Start to start, B. Finish to start, C. Finish to finish, or D. Start to finish. I'll give you a couple seconds to figure out the answer before I reveal the correct choice, so be sure you pause the video. So which answer did you choose? If you selected B, then you're correct. This is an example of a finish to start relationship since the protocol needs to be finished before the user validations can begin. Question 2. As a project manager, you need to identify how long will it take for your design engineering team to finalize the drawings of the mechanical prototype designs. From working with the engineers, it's most likely going to take 15 days. If there are no other scheduling conflicts, this can take 10 days best case. On the other hand, the worst case estimate is 20 days. Using the 3-point estimate technique, how long will it take you to create the finalized drawings? A. 17.5 days, B. 15 days, C. 20 days, or is it D. 12.5 days? Pause the video and we'll reveal the correct answer in a couple seconds. So which answer did you choose? Answer B is correct. The formula for 3-point estimate is shown on the screen and is equal to the sum of the optimistic, most likely, and pessimistic values all divided by 3. Plugging in all the values in the equation results in the answer of 15 days. So make sure you remember this formula because these are really easy points that you don't want to miss if this pops up on your exam. Question 3. Use the following information to calculate the cost variance for your project. Planned value is $800, actual cost is $680, and earned value is $700. Is it A. $20, B. -$100, C. $100, or D. $120? Pause the video and we'll reveal the correct answer in a couple seconds. The correct answer is A. The formula for cost variance is the difference between earned value and actual cost. Plugging in these values results in $700 minus $680 with a final value of $20. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Question 4. Your team is at the last stages of developing the final product before it can be presented to your customers. What key deliverable do you need before you can proceed with obtaining formal acceptance of your product by the customer? Is it A. Quality control measurements, B. Work performance information, C. Test and evaluation documents, or D. Verified deliverables? Take a moment to think about the question and then we'll reveal the answer in a couple seconds. If you chose D, then you're correct. The key word in this question is formal acceptance of the product by the customer. Verified deliverables are an output of control quality and become inputs to validate scope for obtaining the customer's final acceptance of the product. And as an exam tip, make sure you understand the difference between verified and validated deliverables. And by the way, if you're getting a lot of value out of this video, and to make sure you don't miss out on any of my future videos to help you pass your CAPM and PMP exam, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and smash that like button. Now on to our next question. Question 5. What type of contract represents the highest risk to the buyer? A. Fixed price. B. Time and materials. C. Cost reimbursable. Or D. Fixed price incentive fee. Pause the video right now and think about which answer you think is correct. The correct answer is C. The cost reimbursable contract poses the highest risk to a buyer, since the buyer not only pays for the incurred actual cost for completing the project work, but also an additional fee representing the seller's profit. Now on to our next question. Question 6. During which process group do you use your established ground rules to effectively communicate and work with your stakeholders? A. Identify stakeholders. B. Manage stakeholder engagement. C. Monitor communications. Or D. Monitor stakeholder engagement. Pause the video and we'll reveal the correct answer. If you chose B, then you're correct. Ground rules is a tool used in the managed stakeholder engagement process. Now on to our next question. Question 7. It's the 5th week of your project and your team is meeting with the customers to obtain their feedback on the newly iterated design. The team would like to make sure that the product features are being prioritized based upon their needs and obtaining feedback to groom the product backlog. In this example, what type of project management approach is being used? Is it A. Predictive, B. Hybrid, C. Agile, or D. Waterfall? The correct answer is C. In an agile environment, the team works in a series of iterations and cycles called sprints to develop a fully functional product which is based upon prioritized features in the product backlog. If you had trouble answering this question, make sure you spend some time understanding the basics in Agile and how this applies to the knowledge area for scope management. So how did you do on today's quiz? This quiz covered 6 different knowledge areas. Were you able to get all questions correct? And if not, which knowledge areas do you need to focus your studies on? Let me know and share it in the comment section down below. Thanks again for watching today's video. And as a friendly reminder, make sure you grab your free copy of the practice workbook containing the rest of these practice questions to help you pass your CAPM exam on your first try. So head on over to alvinthepm.com/ebook and download your free copy. And so I hope you gained a lot of value out of today's video. If you want to see more weekly quizzes and tutorials to help you pass your CAPM and PMP exam, make sure you subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, and again, until next time, I'm Alvin the PM, helping you become certified in project management, and I'll see you in next week's video.